Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. Then again 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. Now 6 multiply 6 is equal to 36. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay, so is equal to 13 minus 7. Now multiply 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. Okay, so is equal to 13. Now 7 multiply 6 is equal to 42 minus 42. So is equal to 13 minus 42 equal to minus 29. Okay, so the correct answer is minus 29. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.